All right, let's see if I still got that Rubicon balance point down. Yeah, it's safe to say I still got it. I'm gonna get a feel for the balance point now. Four-wheel drive engaged. Pretty stable because of the big wheels, 18-inch wheels, you know, they don't float. The power feels decent. This is an Amazon top end, by the way. I just put that on here, very cheap top end. What's up, y'all? Back on a Rubicon. I figured the Honda guys would like that. This is a quick video. I just went out and did some testing to make sure this thing is running properly. I'm going to enter it in the Muddin 815 bounty hole up in North Florida this weekend. So I wanted to go take it out and give it a shakedown run. I threw the 33-inch Aztex on it. Full details on the Patreon page if you're interested in the fitment and all that stuff. But yeah, so enjoy the video. This is just some quick testing, and I'll have a bunch more footage next week from the bounty hole. All right, so I'm testing out this 2017 500 on the 33 Aztex. I can already tell you it rides better than them stupid Outlaw 3s. It's getting worse and worse. People keep getting stuck in it and leaving trash. This thing's been sitting for months. Feels pretty solid. Let's check out diff lock. So engage it and then back up in a circle until it locks. Oh, you can feel it's locked. Holy crap. Forget about steering. The power steering in these old Hondas is nothing like the power steering on the Can-Am. It felt pretty solid. Everything's working good. This hole right here has been getting a little soupy. The Jimny had some fun down in here. Let's power brake it. Of course, we got to check if we got any water in the airbox. Nope, completely bone dry. Good to go. All right, it's officially ready.